design a DFA where every string either start with 0, 1 or end with 0, 1 over the alphabet 0, 1. This is the question from previous year's question paper. We need to design a DFA that start with 0, 1 and end with 0, 1. Let's start. First of all, consider the DFA start with 0, 1. That is, start with 0, 1 means suppose Q0 is the initial state. And then start with 0. Then there is a Q1. When we apply 0 into the Q0, then it will get Q1. Then from Q1 to 1, it is Q2. And suppose this is the final state. So it will start from 0 and 1. In case of DFA, we know that every state must have a 0 or must have a 1. So it consists of 0. So there is a 1 and it moved to Q3. Here there is a 0. Here is a 1, but there is no 0. So we need to create a 0. I will create later. Here there is a 0 and there is a 1. So it's 0 and a 1. In DFA, every state must have a 0 or a 1. Here there is a 0 and 1, but there is no 0. So first of all, create this state, that is every string either start with 0 and 1. So this start with 0, 1. Every string start with 0, 1. 0, 1. Then 0. There can be 0. 0, 1, 0, 0. Then that can 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1. 0, 1. 1, 0. And dot, dot, dot. So these are the string that has start with 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Then it can be any kind of combinations. Now, next state is that is start with it also end with 0, 1. So there is another set of string. There is 1, then end with 0, 1. Suppose there is a 0 and there is a 1. That is end with 0, 1. Is the end with 0, 1. Mean it is always end with 0, 1. Now we need to adjust other 0 and 1. Here there is a 0, 0 and 1. Here there is a 0. There is a 1. So we need a safe loop, that is 0 and 1. It will again iterate 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Then move to 0, 1, 1. End with 0, 1. Here there is a 0. There is a 1. And we need to create a 0. Suppose there is a 0 here. That is 0 and 1. There is a 1, but there is no 0. So we need to move the 0 to this state. So there is a 1 and there is a 0. Now in the final state, we need to, this is the final, another final state. So we need to put here a 0 or 1. So let us create the 0 back to Q4. In 0, 1. And there is a 1 and back to this state. So show the set of string that are end with 0, 1 means suppose I created 1, 0, 1. End with 0, 1. Then again suppose 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Then again 0 and 1. We know that any string that start from initial state to move toward the final state is accepted by the string. This is always end with 0, 1. Suppose this is the string. Suppose 1 start with 0. Suppose 0, then 0, then 0, then 1, then end with 0, 1. All string here belong to end with 0, 1. So this is the diagram, this is the DFA through which we can say every string that has start with 0, 1 and end with 0, 1. So this is the DFA. So every state must have either 0 or 1. From the state 0 or 1 there, from the state 0 and 1 there, 0 and 1 here is 0, there is a 1, here there is a 0, there is a 1, here there is a 0 and there is a 1. So this is a DFA. Finally, we need to create the transition diagram, that is Q0 is the initial state, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 and Q5 is the final state, and Q2 is also the final state. This is the 0, 1. From Q0 to 0 mean Q1, Q0 to 1 mean Q3, Q1 to 0 mean Q4, Q1 to 1 mean Q2, Q2 to 0 mean Q2, Q2 to 1 mean Q2, Q3 0 mean Q4, Q3 1 mean Q3, Q4 0 mean Q4, Q4 1 mean Q5, Q5 0 mean Q5, 0 mean Q4, Q5 1 mean Q3. So from the transition table, you can see that every state has only one single output. So this is the DFA, and we know every DFA must have a single state output, that is Q0 to 0 to Q1, Q0 to 1 to Q3, similarly Q1 0 to Q4, Q1 1 to Q2 and so on. So this is the DFA. Thank you very much for watching this video. Share and subscribe it. Thank you.